Hi, this is Steve Alexander with Solar Smart Fence. We're here today at a customer's house on the beautiful island near the beach. It's out at Cocoa Beach, and these one-story houses have a smaller attic than a lot of homes. So luckily we have a really great flexible product line. So we're able to put a high-performance 40-watt iSolar system on the main roof, and then a supplemental 20-watt system over on a smaller attic, which will help ventilate an addition that was added. So this 40-watt unit will supply over 2,000 CFM of solar-powered ventilation all day long here on Cocoa Beach. And we're going to go ahead up top, and what we'll do is the two-piece system, which both of these have separate fan units, so we're able to go ahead and put a hole in the roof and really do a nice job sealing it in, making it real neat. So the two-piece system is so flexible and convenient. The same for the 20-watter. We're using also a Snowvenco vent cover, which has a waterproof stainless steel membrane inside that allows for great attic ventilation but keeps moisture and insects and everything else out. Same here, we have adequate protection from any kind of critters that could come in. So we're going to get started. Hey, this is Steve Alexander with Solar Smart Fence again. We're on the roof, and we've lagged in the bottom plate, like I said, with stainless steel hardware, and we've sealed also the screw holes. She's fully sealed and ready for the power unit. So like I said, it's convenient to have the two-piece system. You can really do a great job sealing in the bottom plate, locking it in, and now all we got to do is drop this power unit on right here and lock it. And now we tighten the screws on that, and it's already firing up, as you can see. So